market's unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams. Gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line. Charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild ride.
Hey, good morning. Let's put this guy right. Oh, let's see if I can get him to stay up here. Oh. Nope. There we go. That's better. All right. Well, here we are. We're been consolidating here for the last hour or so. You know, put us in a box, something like this. This is the box I would put us in. Yeah, I got a little. I took I think somewhere around here, right here. Just took a couple points. You know, I was just checking. The ATR right now in the 2 minute is 30. We haven't even opened yet. So we're going to probably jack up to 50 real quick. I'm just going to, well, we'll let it play. I went down to 2 contracts, almost everything. Well, I'm at 3, 2 to 3. Just because the ATR is going to be big. But anyway, we've kind of, you know, went sideways here. We're now coming down the lower part of the range, so we could just continue to dump. We're already down 250. Yeah, ES is down at its low, breaking new lows. So is SPY, which is not what I wanted. I wanted it to consolidate till open. That would have been perfect. So 650, that's what your rebound is. 1 hour chart has been the support. Yep. We're going down further, Ravine. I'll show you on the daily on the ES chart here. You know, maybe not today, you know, but I'm guessing either by Friday or Monday. So, but I try not to predict, so I shouldn't even say that. At any rate, we're in this, you know, this box. I could put us in this box. Yeah, we popped out, but we're right back in it. So we'll watch this, see if we can pop out of it. Let's look at here's the daily on ES, and here's the place I think we're heading to is 68.12. If we drop 68.50, that's like a big number on what Elliott wave. So pretty good chance we either come down. My guess is either here or here, right? And this is actually going to be a little bit, this number here is going to be a little bit lower. So probably more into the 67.50 area. You can see there's some support here, right here, 67.56. So that's kind of my guess before we get a bounce up and maybe do like an A, B, C. An A down here, B up, and then C back down. So that would be the guess. But anyway, I'm just playing what I got. That's all I can do. So NQ, but you can see we're at the low part of the candle, daily candle right now. So we could be getting some, you know, maybe this holds and we bounce up today as a little relief, but it's Thursday. My guess is they take it down today, tomorrow, and then Monday we'll look for the bounce. Capitulation, little bounce. But who knows? I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, here's NQ. We dropped yesterday's low, which is kind of a bummer. I always like to do that during market hour, or during real-time hours, so that way I can play it, because that's a good thing to watch. So it is what it is. Can't always get what you want. All right, so today's economic events, we've got natural gas storage, not much. Bostic speaks at 10:50, and then Trump speaks tonight. So I added this little guy here, little window, and it'll give me the 15-minute range. So I want to keep it on here just to give you guys something else to look at. Whether you want to look at it or not, I don't know. But it'd be easier for me to say, hey, if we drop this low right here on this candle, then I'm going short. Or if we come up above this candle, I'm going to take it long, right? So, and I can kind of refer, like, this candle is really this guy here type of thing. And I'll take a long above this. So that's kind of explain my trades out a little bit. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. So I'll just let him go. So far we've gotten a move up, come down, move up, come down, and then put in a little lower high. So you got a little mini head and shoulders right here, potentially. But the low is only right here, so maybe it's already played out. That's what I see right here on the 2-minute here. So economic events, I keep this stored on my website, and I just go grab it, bring it back here into Ninja. $24,745. If we reclaim this, that might be an indicator to go long. 45 to 75. So somewhere in here. And that could be a good indicator to go long. This is where a lot of the bounce attempts. Let's see. You got VWAP up here. So if we do bounce up, that'll be a magnet. Again, I'd probably go long if we get back above the 5-minute 20 EMA. And then if we fail, then to take it short. Kind of the game plan. Here's the, let me close this out. Here's the actual 15-minute. And here's the bull zone. You can see we dropped down through this morning, and then I had a 15-minute support right here on this guy. They're pretty easy to find. If you want to find them, you just go to like a 15-minute chart, and you go up, and wherever the first green candle that pops up, something like that, you can see that my little cheap indicator made that, and it's kind of nice. It just happens to be also the daily or previous day's low. And then I could go back. This is what I do with SPY. And then I go back on SPY so many, Once I get past like 4 or 5 days, then it's no good. The data I don't think is, you know, it's there. It's just not as strong. And the same for the top part, right? So, all right, we got about 4 minutes. Same with this top. You look for a failure. I usually go down to the first body, something like that. But anyway, you got your central pivot today, or your daily pivot somewhere around 25 137. You got a very small CPR. We had support up here. We dropped down through, came up, tried to get back up in there, and rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times on the 15-minute. Each time I went up there, rejected. So that's resistance until otherwise, right? We did have some support here at Bull's Last Stand at 24,715. You can see this candle wick down just slightly below it. My guess is we'll come down, I don't know, and you know, challenge this. Put that back. Oops. So what I don't know how much time I got. I got 3 minutes. I could change this to be a 60-minute chart, and let's say I want to do 20 candles. And here's the 60-minute chart. But doesn't really tell me anything. I was hoping we'd have some other candles to look at. I'll keep it at 15. I like the 15. All right, so we got 2 minutes left. Not much on news or anything, so put us in this box. I won't do anything. I am gonna switch charts to my bot suite chart, and I will be playing the 2-minute pre-market high. So this candle right here, the high, if we go down below, I go short, and if it goes above, it's all automatic. I am going to be doing 3, 3, and just 3, 3. That's it. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to be doing 2, 2, and 2. That's what I'm going to be doing. And I increased the size to 20 points and 30 points just because of where the ATR is. So anyway, that's where I'm at. I'll be doing 20 and 30. For accounting purposes, I will have to place this at 15 and 20 for the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so bot suite. And I'll explain that later. I'm trying to keep consistent data, so that's the reason for that. All right, good luck. See how she goes. Okay. Oh, there we go. All right, there's the shorts on. Took one out. There's 20. I'm going to lock in. There's 30. Okay, so that was a good play. I'm going to take that off now. I don't want to take the long if it comes back up. And I will go to Mr. Fibs now. There we go. All right, so good, up 400. I guess it would have been nicer if I would have just taken my normal numbers. Son of a bitch. Anyway, that's the way it goes. All right, so I'm on the 1-minute chart. I'm looking for just a little stutter step. So if we get a nice direction, which we already did, we dropped 30, 40, 50, whoa, 70 points. Wow. This is where you just want to be somewhat careful. I mean, 20 and 30 points. My 10-point stops won't do anything. So I got to go to 20 points. And I'm going to increase my stop losses to also 20. And even that probably won't be enough. Okay. Almost took that short there at 713. Damn it. There's 98. Yeah, there we go. We're off to the races. Okay, now I'm on the 1 minute chart. I'm just looking for a little stutter step, right? A little green 1 minute candle, something. Like right now, 679 right there would be my potential entry. But not after that candle. Oh, just crazy. Okay. Okay, so just watching, gonna be patient. No hurry. I mean, you got big numbers here. 33 on the 1 minute and the ATR and 34 on the 2 minute. So the 1 minute's actually greater than the 2 minute. Okay, 50 seconds on the 5 minute, so I'm just gonna wait here. We're back up into this box. Again, just kind of like, you know, a little pop-up. Ooh. All right, there's that move up. Probably would have gotten, let's look at the bot suite real quick. Oh no, he already turned off, so. Wow. All right, new 5 minute candle out. Ooh, 815. So looking for, here, let me put my, really a close fib real quick. Thank you. Let me put a fib on from the low to the high, or to that 5 minute candle. And we're looking for a target around 24,890. Again, we're back up into that bull zone and rejecting. Okay, so I'm going to place, oh, wrong one. Oh, I got to get that off there. Gosh dang See if I can get what's that? How many points is that? It's 17. Ooh, it's going to be close. There we go. For some reason that was hidden. I'll take that 817, pop back above that close of that candle, even though technically we closed back below it. And I'll take him off right now. It did go against my deal, so I mean technically this is a short right here. Wow. Yep, good time just to sit out and sit on your hands. Wow. Okay, so there's TCS taking a long. He's up. I had to take him off. I was up too much. Don't you hate when that happens? Let's see. Let's go over to TCS. Oh, and he just missed target one by 1 point, or by, I don't know, a couple points. He's going to get it, I think. Yep. Crazy. So now he would go to break even. I couldn't play that. We were up $1,000, so 1,300. So I went ahead and took it. We're up at the 38.2 right now. At my target was 24,881, and stop out is 901. So we would have stopped out. So glad I didn't play that. Move back down here, 851. That would be a stop out, or not stop out, but move stop to break even. What is that number? 850. See how high we go here. If he comes up and gets this, he'll obviously be done. He didn't quite get to the 50 pointer. We're just got above VWAP there. See if we come down to 850. I'm dang near tempted to go long here at 850. All right, so there was the stop. I didn't really want that yet. All right, so there was another good play. I'm out. Woo! That'll work. No positions. Nope, I'm out. So I was just playing what I see every day, right? Which is this system calls out this long right here. And a lot of times what'll happen is the entry goes up, hits target one, and then the software automatically thinks, okay, go to break even. You don't have to, but go to break even. Price action comes down, and then a lot of times we'll come right back to this target one, and sometimes I'll play it. This is too big for me to play today, but I'd play it back up to target two. It's kind of my thought process. So even though it might come up and hit target two, it doesn't matter. It's stopped out. It's got 45 points locked in. 50 points is the thing. So what I would do, I'm up 45. I'm up even more than that because I took a little bit more. You know, I'll just turn this guy off and say, okay, you're done today. Okay. I mean, he could have a historic day. We could come down short and he'll take the short and pick up another 50, 60 points. Who knows? Or even something like this where you get 120 or 127. Added to that, I mean, 160. So, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. Trading's off. There we go. All right, let me get out of here. Okay. So I gotta work on this a little bit to get him to refresh because he's not refreshing. There you go. So still got some work to do, but it's not bad. I enjoy having a 15-minute chart on the 2-minute. Independent. So what I would expect on the 15-minute, you know, because I watch 15-minute. That's what I do. You know, if we're going to continue to go up, I want it to come down, at least down to this guy here, which is right around 870. Maybe come down and hit 870 and then go back up and then take the long above the wick. So above day's high. But we are above VWAP right now, and they may not want to go back below VWAP. That's a possibility. So I'm watching this 5 minute for potential inside bar. We still got 3 minutes, so I mean, all we have to do is pop out above high a day, above that high, the session high there. Then I mean then we start all over again. All right, so we got a new one, new high. So what I'm looking for now is I need to move back down to the 21 or the 20 EMA in order to go long, to keep, otherwise it's going to go off without me. So TCS would need a short in order to take another trade anyway. We'll have to see how it goes. We're down 75. ES. Oh, down. So ES is down 34. SPY, where you at? Close on SPY's way up at 686, so quite a bit ways away. I'm going to do prior day close. And I want a dotted line, something a little different. Okay. 686.21. And I need it like 3. There we go. Okay. We're just kind of hanging out here at VWAP, trying to decide what to do. Maybe go short at 952. Well, 945 is the 5-minute weighted moving average. Right now, we're above the 21, the 20, and the 1-minute weighted. We got above on the bear zone, or I'm in the bull zone. Our ATR right now on the 1 minute is 48. Whew. 55 on the 2 minute. Better have a big stop. So I'm going to wait till things calm down just a little bit. I mean, you got a 50-point ATR, so whew, that's just big. I mean, look at these 2-minute candles. 959. 79.80. So what's that? 59. So it'll be 79 points, 80 points. You're going to enter short at 9.55. Or you entered short at 9.55. Huh, good short. I mean, you got a quick 50. All right, we dropped back below VWAP. This is where I was talking about coming down to, looking for the bounce around 869. And we got pretty close to it. There we go. We're hitting it now. We just hit it. Pretty close on the 15 minute. We could come back and actually retest. Here, let me put this out here a little further. See if we retest that box there. We kind of did here. Popped up above, came up, came back down, almost got to it. And I could actually be a little bit low on that. Or a little bit high right now. But anyway. Nice. Nice trade. So that was a little gap fill up here. 55. Got another one up here at 974. From earlier. You can see we're kind of, we kind of got stalled here and kind of doing something like this. So let's see how that plays. .57 ATR, it's just tough. So we're below VWAP. VWAP is at 906. And VWAP right now in the 2 minutes just going sideways. Look at that. Wow. I do not want to play 82, almost $10 out of the money. My little sweet spot is around 70 cents, 50 to $1 a contract on SPY. And right now, the 674 is at 80 cents. And SPY's at 681.81, so 682 roughly. So 682. Wow, $8 out of the money. It's tough for me to play that. There's some days to play and some days not to. Okay, we're dropping a little bit. Oh, we're dropping. I have nothing to really grab on to take a short on. So for me, yeah, I had jolts on there earlier and I took it off because I couldn't find it anywhere else. Let me see. Did I, maybe news, economic, calendar, investing. I should have checked there. So, yeah, there it is, jolts. I had it on there earlier and I deleted it from my website. Should have probably left it because it came up yesterday and I thought maybe we were going to have it yesterday. Oh well. Oh, okay. Yeah, it did show up today, and then like I said, I deleted it, so it took it off of this area. It is what it is. I see it now. I should have looked at investing.com. 3 minutes for that. Okie dokie. Let me get rid of this guy. All right, we drop back down into this box. You know, if ATR and stuff like that wasn't so high, I would have shorted right there. As soon as we drop back in. Now that we got to close below the 20, my short, I could short it at 784. That to me. Okay, so there's TCS, and it should not have taken a trade. Nope, it didn't. So TCS now is taking that short, or, well, it's not taking it because I told it not to. But there is a short setup. Potential short setup, I should say. So I'm actually going to take this. Let me get off there. So its target one is 755. You can use it as a guideline. Oops, if I don't hurry up, I'm not going to get it. Nope, gonna miss it. I missed my entry there playing around. 787. Dang it. Let me see. Ah. 802, so we have news now. That's what that little pop down was. So TCS ends up with 91 points so far. So 801 or 800. Dang it. And that's why you let the system play. I mean, you can't beat that, right? 91 points so far. 2 trades, 2 wins. And this one's going to hit for fucking 89. That's going to give you 170 points. Oh, boom. Come on. There we go. 180 points. Damn you. Yep, the only thing I can say is bravo. Bravo. TCS is on fire, man. On fucking fuego. Yeah. Let's see. 180 points. 2 wins. 0 losses. Still undefeated for this month of February. 6 trades, 6 wins. Yeah, not bad. 283 points. Obviously a big winner today. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so we're trying to break down from that box again. Spy. Just can't play you. Damn you. I'm gonna try it. All right. I'm gonna take one here. See if we can take out the lows there. Come on. 60-point ATR. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. Nope, it's gonna take me out. That's why. Right? I mean, 60-point ATR. I don't know if I can play that. Because just because of that. Well, I'm gonna try one more time. There we go. I just need a dump. I'll try one more time. What's a 5-minute? Yeah, 5 minutes still looks good. 15-minute looks good. We're retesting Bull's last stand. There's some support there. Now it's resistance. The closer I can get to it, the better. I'll try to go down for the lows. That'll be 700. That's almost 50 points right there. All right, I'm going to lock in. Would have liked to lock in 500, 2,500, 25 points, but it's not going to allow me. Let's go. I'll lock in 75 if I can. I need at least 55. See if we can go down to the lows. I just need one little push down and I can lock in that 75. There we go. Take out the lows. All right, I'm going to lock in 75. Oh, that's all right. Nice little 25. I should have just went to break even and held it. I have a feeling this is just going to come crashing down. SPY, let me get to an hour chart. Okay. All right, these are potential bounce areas here. We got another one coming up here at 678.16. And if not, then let me put in a rectangle. $676.54. Okay. So we got the opening range low, which we just bounced off at 651. Oh, 10 o'clock. Nice move up. That was the entry. I don't know if we're going to rip up. Yeah, there goes SPY. Damn it, I was going to add too. There we go. All right, so ES is coming down to that first section labeled A, which is the Wednesday, 21 January low, which is also my A 50% retrace on the Fibonacci. So ideally, I'd like to see it get to the 61.8. It's just a better number, and that's at 6,760. Right now we're at 6,823, which our number should be about 6,812. So we don't have much further to go. Just another day to hold on to your shorts. Can't complain. I'm up to 2,200. You know, and actually everybody's up. So I'm almost at a point where I'm thinking, you know, we got a 60 ATR in the 2-minute and a 43 ATR on the 1-minute. I'd like to see SPY come down to 676.52 for support. I mean, if we drop this ES, let me see what that number actually is. Nope. So that low is 6,814, which we're coming up on right now. $6,814 on ES is, I mean, if we don't hold that, we could get a big push down. Not a big push, but probably a decent push, 20 points or something. Okay, so far the low has been 15.75. 15.25. So they might try to hold it. If not, I would expect a little plunge down, probably 68.15. Could maybe down to 6,800. We're still down at 68.15 and a quarter, and we're holding. 68.15, still holding. Okay, 68.12.75. So we've taken it out. Let's see what happens. All right, 14 seconds left. Yep, little fake out. Wow. Should have took my 200 bucks. All right, so we got a new 15-minute candle. This is just a bounce up, right? I mean, it's not a reversal. I think we closed at the bottom of that candle. Yeah, we did. So this is just like a little relief push up. I'm guessing. Usually you don't see a reversal just on a freaking strong ass short or strong ass red candle, right? So my short, let's see, that low is 24,557. Wow. 15 minutes says the low is 24,557. And this has it at 24,550. All right, retesting the opening range low, opening range 15 low. Missed it. Yeah, there was 20 points there. Gosh darn it. I was going to take that short up there at 650 and just hesitated. Oh. Right there. Could have got 20. See if I can get another push up there. I'll take this short. Come on, get up there. Most I'm going to give it is 20. Oh, sucker fish. Okay, so we made that lower low, took out that low on ES. After making a, well, technically we made a higher high on that. So now to decide which way to go. See what we're going to do here. All right, so far no 5-minute inside bar. We are just hanging out here. Oh, that was a buy opportunity. Gosh damn it. 42 points ATR in the 1 minute and 56 on the 2 minute. Makes it tough to play. I'm going to try one there. I'm going to go back above this candle. I'm going to come down to the low and see if I can get it. SPY's coming down. Come on, give me some breathing room. Give me 20. I really don't want to take a 30-point stop. This is the potential. Yep. I was just going to say this. If we're going to reverse, this would be the time or place to do it. All right, yes, it's dropping that eighth point, so I got to think that the 50%. I'm thinking that okay, we got to get to the 618, 6750 area, 6760. Man, what is Nasdaq down? 420. Okay, we got 1 minute left on this 15 minutes, so kind of would like to see the take out the low, but we're not. That's all right. All right, so 15 minutes coming down. We'd like to see it take out that low. Thirty-four seconds left. Might get a little green hammer. Okay, so the high or taking out that candle wick right there at 664 would present the long, and the low being 550, our low of day. So just hanging out. Just wait. Be patient. $574. Come on, take out the low. Come on, take out the low. Huh. Well, not going to quite get there. Wow. Come on. Take out the low. Uh, oh, one more time. Last try. All right, got a little bit back. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Hmm. Maybe I am wrong. We get IB yet? Yep, we got IB. All right, let's stop messing around. $10, $15, $20. So that'll give me $35, $45, $900. I'm going to see if we can take out IB there. If we can, I'm going to shoot for, looks like 10, 15, 20, and 25. So that'll be 25 and 45. Be 70 points. The longer we stay up here, the better. So the longer we stay here, the better. For me, the better. Providing we continue to come down. Okay, and move back above that 664, I think it is. Yep, 664 could be something. Right about here, right above that guy. No inside candles. Okay, there's the 664. Ouch. $664, $666. Here we go. Like to see a move, Michael, up to SPY up to the 48 EMA, which is 679.29. Okay. Last trade of the day. Right here, right now. Unless we come back down to IB. Obviously, I prefer the IB play. Yeah, 2-minute ATR, 57. 1-minute ATR, 39. Obviously, this is the 21 EMA play. Get above, got to close, so take the wick high. If it doesn't come down here and closes below, then I would take this week short, potentially. Okay, there's one off. Come on, get up there and get me. Get me. I'm going to go ahead and lock in a little bit more. Somewhere around 90, 89. Nope, 88. Nope. Come on, get up there. Take out that 40. Love the 20-40 play. Oh, come on, get up there. Nope, got taken out. All right, still a good play. I'll take that. Sad. Coming up to the 1 minute weighted. Right there, same as the 20 at 705. That first one could be a reject. Didn't even get up there. Spies bound or ES bounced. So everybody's playing together nicely. I'd like to see that 679.23 on SPY. Maybe even a move above it, close it on the 2 minute, come back down below, and I'll take a short. Yeah, I'm still stuck with the 72s, damn it. I'd probably move up to the 73s now. Come on, get up there. Let's tag the 1 minute weighted at 703. I might take a short there. Just because it's the first touch of the 1 minute weighted. I missed it. Probably missed it. 99 should have taken it. Even 99 or 98, 96, 95, because your stop could be 10 points. And you got 20 there, almost 30. Damn it. That's why you take it. There we go. Come on, try it again. It didn't really touch it, so that's why I didn't get it. Or I didn't take it. But if this thing comes all the way back down, it'll come down and be pretty. You'll say, "Oh yeah, we should have just took it. It should have taken the short there." Like, yep. There you go. So roughly 700. Oh, it's already given you 4 point or 40 points, 60 points. Ugh. All right, got back to positive. Little quick scalp. Just a quick little 100-point drop on basically 2.5 minutes. Okay, I will set up for the IB play. And I'm going to do 10, 15, 20? Yeah. If we get back down below 600 there. I should have stayed in it. Let's see if I can get 71. Get 20. Risk 10 to get 20. Yeah, that's good. Oops, lost that guy. 10, 15, 20. Okay. I got a little bit of it built up, so if I do get taken out, 10, 15, 20. 10, 15, 20. I need to edit the stop loss. All right, looking for, I'll take 3 on IB break, and it's just going to be a 10, 15, and 20, so 35. If I get it. And it's got to be a plunge, otherwise it won't work. It'll take me out a 10-point stop. But we got to break IB first. So what time are we at? 10:55. For the 5-minute candle or inside bar play, I only have 10 minutes. And then it expires. It will not take a trade after 11, but the 15-minute will. So we could stick into a 15-minute. What would be cool is if we stay in this 15-minute range here, inside bar, we got 9 minutes left, and then so we just stay in this area and then have it trigger 15-minute short and then take out IB at the same time. That would be huge, because I would play that in all kinds of ways. You guys like my little 15-minute picture in picture? I always talk about picture in picture, so I went ahead and made one yesterday. So 15-minute candles. Right now I only switch between the 1, the 5, 15, or 60-minute candles. Ravine, you like that? You like this little picture in picture? And it all comes based on that little emblem there. And I can move it around if I want to move it. But it'll only stay on this chart, which is what I liked. I could have made one and have it just pop out and create a new chart window, but I didn't want that. I wanted its own little window, picture in picture. Okay, I really would like SPY to move up. It's at my little support area. I am getting a buy signal, whatever that's worth. So here's the SPY 2-minute chart. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for it to come up here on SPY. I'm looking for it to come up to the 48 EMA, close the candle, And then maybe it could even be another little guy right here, and then for it to dump. And then continue on down. That's what I would like to see happen. And I would go short right up here. So just waiting. Five minutes left for an inside bar. We got on the 5 minute, we have 52 seconds. So I got to decide when I'm going to play. Because the 5 minute hasn't been the most reliable. I can tell you that. So I may cut it down even lower right now, actually. Because it looks like we're going to get an inside bar here right now in the 15 minutes. So I'll switch over to the spot. Here you go. And we should get one here in a minute. Oops. What did I do? Here we go. There we go. There you go. So now if we come down here, we'll take the short. It'll take two contracts, 20 and 40. What is that number? 85. I'm going to sit down where I'm at 48. I'm down here still with my 3, and I'm going to wait for IB break. This one's going to be independent, so I'll just let it take it. There we go. 15 minutes, got 4 minutes, 20 seconds, 420. Yep, I heard that right. 420 on the 15 minute to give you an inside bar. Is it possible for us to get an inside 15 minute and an inside 5 all in the same area? Absolutely. And I will say that they are strong. Well, not always, but they can be. What I don't want to see is it come up here and go long, really. Because I would turn this off, actually. And not take a trade. So just going to wait. There's my 5 minute short there. So 85. Oh, if we come down here, we'll at least get 20. Let's go. Come on. Here we go. We have 2 minutes, 50 seconds.
Inside bar entry.
All right. So he took that one. See, the 5 minutes just not that strong. I got a standard 30-point stop there. Technically, the stop is way up here, but I don't want to take that much of heat. All right, so I'm going to take one. Let's see, what is that? 2. I'm going to take stop or 2 and put down to break even, basically. That's this guy down here, so he may disappear if we punch back up real quick. Come on, let's go. Take him out. Take him real quick. Shit. If we get close, a lot of times I usually like just take it off because many times I've got within a tick and been taken out. All right, so I released one. So at least I won't get hurt too bad. Yep. And there you go. That's why I do what I do. Sucker. Okay, so I will retake it. Yeah, the statistics on the 5 minute just aren't that good. I was playing just one contract, and maybe I'll go back to that. I mean, you can see we didn't even break that high, so I should put it probably up on this one. But I got it set for 30 points. It's like, that's a lot. It is what it is. So 15-minute, it looks like we're going to also get one for the 15-minute. So if we do, I probably will just, actually, I'll just leave that. We got 10 seconds, and the 15 minutes going to overpower this guy, probably. Up to 700, there you go. So way up here is the long, and this is going to be the short down here. All right. You know, since 10 o'clock, we've pretty much just gone sideways. So if I was creating a box, here's my box, and we were still in it. Just like we had a box, I don't know when it was. Was this the same box? All right, I'm going to take that off, turn him off. We'll let it play the 15-minute, however it's going to play. Yep. Boring side of trading, just waiting. So I'll try to get that If it comes down, I'll go ahead and take it. Try to get to target 1. It's set for 20 points, just one contract. And then I'll let it take 2 on the break of 567. 567. So that'll be 17 points. It'll be close. So 567, 568. So 548 should be target 1, which is just below IB. So hopefully we can get there if we continue to come down, because I don't know if it's going to come down or not. It could go back up. So because I also then have 3 at 549 going to hit, I would go into some protection pretty quickly. So I may even put this, if I enter in here at 87, I may put him down over here, provided I can stay out of being stopped out. Don't know. Don't know. If we come down here, it'll take 2 on the break of 568, and target will be 48. If we do come down and hit that, I'll take this to this break even, which will be here, even though it'll probably be down in here as far as the entry looks like, because there's going to be 2 added onto this one. So average price is 20 points, so probably 15. So 88, 15. So right around 73, 72. That'll be the average price probably. 73. Okay, this will be the big kicker. See if I can stay in this trade or not. Or do I take another stop out? Ah, shit. Come on, let's go. Take out IB. So when we get down to IB, I want to see a strong move, ideally. Otherwise, I'll turn this one off. My MrFibsTrade. I actually like to see a lot of movement, like going back and forth. Then I know, okay, IB's got a good chance. See that, or just a nice strong candle, that'll work too. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and just go to break even just because. And if I get taken out, I get taken out. I don't really care. I mean, I've given it a chance to get down here. There's the 15-minute. It's trying to take it. We still haven't broken out below the 68. What was that low? 68.75. Come on, get down there.
inside
All
bar.
right, 74 is the average trade, so I'm going to take one off there. If we get it. Okay, I'm going to just go to break even here. I'll just bring them down. I'm up a little bit here. Take one off. Come on. Oh, almost got that one. Damn it. So I'm, oh. Ah, fucker. I'm okay. I'm up. I'm okay. I mean, all right. So I'll try one more here. If I can get in. Right there. Oh, no, I didn't want that. Damn it. All right, took one off. I'm better with that. Okay. And I'll just go to break even there. Come on, don't go back up. There we go. All right. Now I'll just act like I'm still in it. I'm still playing. I got off by a point or so. But I'm back to where I was, so I'm feeling better about that. I still got to watch my MrFibs trade. Okay, I got taken out, so still all right. Remember, I got 3 sitting at 549. Oh, fucker. That doesn't make my stats for the bot suite any good, so I didn't like that. But I'm going to be down 20 points, so it's still not too bad with 2 big losers. So it's not bad. So the bot suite didn't really impact it. All right, so my last trade, I'm still waiting. I'm actually going to go down 1 contract, and I'm just going to take 2. Nope, I tried to just take 2. You can see I'm still 2100, 2200, so I'm still all right. Never got up on SPY, never got up high enough for me to take a trade. Okay. Remember the good old days? I used to take 5 contracts right here. Whenever I needed to pass an eval, bam, put 5 on right there, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And man, used to get that more often than not. You can see on the 15-minute how we just kind of just went sideways. This is why I like this this chart, 15 minutes, always here, because it really, oh, obviously I need to update. There we go. That's better. Yeah, I need it every 15 minutes. It'll just update and clean this bar up. Having a live bar, you know, it's really not the way to do it, but I wanted a live bar, so I got it. 24,773. So right up in here is where the 20 EMA is for the 15-minute. ES is at its low. SPY's at its low, which obviously they're the same, but for the most part, pretty close. Oh, man. Come on, let's go. Get some action. Jackson. Okay, the low is 550. I'm at 549. And I'm looking for 10, 15, and 20. Well, 10, 15, so 25 points. I don't know if it's worth the risk, honestly. Hey, what if SPY drops? There we go. Oh, come on. Nope. Wow. And that's what happens. Only got 549, like 6 points. So from 550 down to 43. So that was just a sweep. That's all that was. Yep. It's okay. Still all right. Okay, so 15-minute. If we get above 652, that'll be this candle here on the wick. We get above that 652, that's a 15-minute long. I don't know what happened there. I don't think we had any news other than yeah, nothing. So that was a 100-point move up on 1 minute, just about, from 550 to 630, 80, 90 points. $652 is the long. Yep. All right. Pushing above, let's see if I can get some of that back. Oops, I didn't want that. Damn it. Come on, get back up. There we go. What did I want? 54. Man, it already gave 20. Let's see if I can get 20 again. Not quite, but close. Come on. Get up there. Nope. Just going to try to add one there, but no bueno. come on. Let me see. So 56. Ah, you fucker. So 55, 56. All right, there's the 20. Damn it. Yeah, I'm not going to get it. So 56.96. Come on, get up there. All right, here's SPY going up and over. All right, I'm gonna, ooh, shit. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna watch, actually, that's good. I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah. So what have we today? Well, we had a lot of average ATR, right? 1 minute's at 33, and we're down to 50 on the 2 minute. So I think that sums it up for the most part. Yeah, agree. Yeah, we did hit on ES one particular spot, and I was looking for the next target down for me is actually probably around 67.50, 67.60ish area. See if we can hit that. Obviously not today, I don't think. We could, but I don't think so. I mean, we're down what, 300 now. So actually I got another entry here. Should have taken it at 674. Yeah, I mean, we still have tomorrow, Friday, and then Monday. So Friday and Mondays are typical reversal days, right? But anyway, this 2040 point right here off of 75 was my entry. I don't know what I was doing. I got sidetracked. But 20 and 40, so you're only looking for 75. You already got it. 15. Son of a gun. Okay. SPY's doing what it's doing. It's got a nice little bounce going. If we come back down below the 48 EMA on the 2 minute, then I'll look for the short. But if not, I'll just stay out of the way. We could get a nice little squeeze, right? I'd like to see, move up 758, another 20 points, close a 1 minute gap. Down only 270 now. It's amazing how fast it can pick it up. Swept the bottoms and took off. Failed breakdown, right? So All right, past 11 o'clock, so it's my witching hour. I try not to trade anymore after that. And I already kind of broke my rules a little bit today, a little bit over, but I mean, when you get a move up like that, this is what I took. Actually, I don't even remember what I took now. I think I took this one, or maybe I took this one. So there we go. All right, be here tomorrow. Thanks a lot for joining. And ciao. Yep, absolutely. All right, we'll see you guys later.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures don't waste my time. Candles rise and let's climb, let's climb.